Inside at 6 with a steady rise in COVID cases and more hospitalizations in Riverside County, still well below those January highs, but up significantly in the month of May. News Channel 3's Marian Bouchot shows us what local businesses are doing to keep you safe as those cases creep up ahead of summer.
When you go out, social distancing and masks are rarely required, but local businesses are still prioritizing your safety.
Just staying on top of that. I think that matters every day. Things have to always be clean. You're a restaurant, you're serving food.
Catherine Gonzalez owns Chula Artisan Eatery in La Quinta. I told her about the uptick in COVID cases and asked what she thinks as a business owner.
Very optimistic. We're not worried. We've been through the thick of it, absolutely. And I think the biggest part of that is being prepared for those types of situations in our lives.
Her staff is fully vaccinated and she no longer makes them wear masks.
We've gotten a little relaxed just like others, but we're still constantly making sure that staff is healthy when they are here and before they leave.
Is the recent increase in COVID cases, is that something that businesses and their customers should be worried about right now?
We don't think it's anything to be alarmed about, but we do encourage people to continue to practice safe precautions.
That's Riverside County's Public Health Officer, Dr. Jeffrey Leung. He points out cases have been steadily rising these past several weeks.
So this is expected. We've seen a general relaxing, of measures across, the state.
Encouraging unvaccinated people to be more careful since they're more at risk.
We are doing everything in our power to keep our restaurant as safe and clean for our staff and for our guests.
Tim Atchison is the general manager at Dawn and Sweet Sue's Cafe in Cathedral City. The cafe shut down for more than a year when the pandemic first hit.
We're a little worn out from it.
Now, the cafe has all staff vaccinated and sanitizing regularly.
I'm hoping that this is just a short-term thing and we are going to get better soon.
In La Quinta, Marian Bouchot, News Channel 3.
And let's take a closer look now at that rise in cases. Near the start of the month, there were 34 hospitalizations in the county. As of today, hospitalizations have more than doubled, with 80 people hospitalized in the county. Also, the daily total cases are higher than they were at the start of the month. On May 3rd, there were just over 1,000 daily cases. And today, we had just over 1,500. The county says they predict cases will continue to steadily rise, but that we're nowhere near the peak of the last COVID case surge.